Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. If it is your first time, a special welcome to you. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So in today's video, we're preparing for another crochet braid. I did leave out a tiny piece of hair in the front on her hairline as she requested. And I'm starting off with some very small braids, guys. Yes, for this look, we are using the Yankee twist, which is one of my all-time favorite hair. And so those are very, very small. So the braids have to be just as small. And as long as I'm doing the crochet and the client indicates that they are planning to wear it in a ponytail, then this is my braid pattern of choice. And because the braids are so small, I did go ahead and add a tiny piece of braiding here just to ensure that the foundation is firm enough for the crochet. And trust me, this crochet here is absolutely lightweight, so yeah, it's not even that important. Anyway, guys, as you can see, I'm braiding the perimeter of the head upwards. So all of the braids are going in an upward direction, and you guys will see why. It really adds so much more versatility and they give you way more styling options. Yeah. So guys, once I am done braiding the hair around the edges upward, then we will focus on the rest of the hair in the middle. Well, sometimes I do a beehive in the middle, but depending on the length of the client's hair, I sometimes do the braids going just back, and that is what we did for today. So everything else in the middle, we are just braiding back and just joining them one with the other. Easy breezy. All right. And then I will leave a link down below, guys, for the full braid pattern for you guys, so that you guys can make reference to another more detailed braid pattern for this look. All right, so for today, once we are done, and we are, yes, this is the hair crochet braids plus, and this is the color. It's called chocolate. I've never used this color before, and it's just a light, well, not light, a dark brown and black blended together. So it's more of a natural color. And I'm starting off the install, always adding one piece of hair to each of those braids going upwards. And the information about the hair I will leave in the description bar down below, but the color again is chocolate. The length is 16 inches and it's described as long. If you're looking on the website, you will see it listed as long or 16 inches. Yes, each package comes with 5 individual bundles. And for today's look, I did go ahead and use 4.5 of those 5 bundles. The hair on the edges and in the front, I did double knot them, but the ones in the middle, I only did a single knot. And that is perfectly fine. You won't have to worry about anything prematurely loosening or slipping. All right. And guys, based on what you're observing, I'm just literally installing the hair in a row by row pattern. So for each row, I'm just going ahead and putting a piece of the crochet hair on each braid that is going back. And then I just move a little bit further up and do the same thing. Random fact, did you guys know that I have a product line? I'm not sure, but I'm just putting it out there as a shameless plug. Yes, I'm on Etsy, and my Etsy store is etsy.com/shop/one true natural. I will leave the link down below. We actually source and sell the very best, most authentic, most natural Jamaican black castor oil that is sourced straight from the farm in Jamaica. And we also have a nourishing oil blend I personally curated, as well as skincare and natural health supplements. So check out the link and you definitely will find something that you're interested in. All right, so we're at the front, guys, and this is a side part that I am actually doing for her. And so I am just going ahead and adding the pieces of hair. I also double knot the hair right by the parting, and make sure that your braids that you are using to create that part, that they are close enough so that your part doesn't look wide. You're gonna see how natural this part ends up looking, just because I was careful to make sure that those two braids are super close to each other. All right, and then once I'm done installing the pieces of hair on one side, I just do the same on the other side, and like that my parting is done. So now I'm going to be trimming up the hair, not a lot. I'm just literally giving her a little bit of layers and making sure to even up the length in the back. Yeah. And then now I'm undoing her hairline, and as I mentioned before, she requested to leave out a little bit of hair in the front, so we are just slicking that down. And yeah, the style is done, you guys. This is how it turned out. I love that subtle brown. So if you want a little bit of something, but you're not trying to do too much, then this is a beautiful color. This is how the hair turned out. You see how nice and natural it looks in the front. The part doesn't look wide at all. These micro twists look so good. A long time and all-time favorite of mine. And yeah, it's very lightweight, guys. If you want a hairstyle that will feel absolutely weightless, this is it, hands down. So thank you guys for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye.